What's up everyone, Amy here. This is an updated Groovemember portal video that shows you how to link your custom domains. It's for you ladies and gents who have multiple courses on Groovemember and want to showcase them all in your members login area. It also acts as a landing page for all your courses with complete branding by connecting your custom domains. Now remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification because I will be releasing updated Groovemember videos very soon. And if you don't have a free Groovemember account yet, please support the channel by signing up to Groove using my links in the description area below. Plus, you'll also receive some amazing bonuses from me as well. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, in this demo, let's say I have 3 courses, a YouTube course, an affiliate marketing course, and a Groove automation course. These 3 courses will be on one portal and linked to a portal subdomain, i.e. portal.yourdomain.com. Now, I'm going to make the following assumptions. 1, that you created your course and loaded your lessons on Groovemember. If you don't know how to do that, check out my Groovemember tutorials playlist and you'll see a video on Groovemember tutorial how to set up Groovemember along with related videos. I'm also going to assume you created a portal subdomain on Groove's custom domains. Now you would have connected your root domain first in order to create your subdomain. If you haven't, then check out this video right here. That's going to show you how to connect your root domain. Once you've done that, then you can create your subdomain for your portal. To create your subdomain for your portal, you would head to your avatar, My Accounts, Domains, Custom Domains, Manage. I'm going to use bossfunnels.co as I haven't created a subdomain for that portal yet. We'll head to Groovemember, click on the pencil icon, click on plus, call it Portal, and under Type, click on the drop down. We'll select Groovemember Portal and click on the check icon. Then we'll click on Update. Now, if you have an existing WordPress website on your root domain, then you need to watch my video on connect a subdomain to Groove via Cloudflare. And at the timestamp 8 minutes and 15 seconds in, it will show you how to create a Groovemember subdomain by adding a CNAME record on Cloudflare. I'm also going to assume that you created your course sales page on Groove pages and have the URL handy because you'll need it later on. By the way, guys, I usually leave important video updates and timestamps in my pinned comment below, so be sure to check that out as well. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, log into Groovemember, click on Content, and you want to select Portals. Click on Create Portal, give your portal a name, a subdomain. Now this would be the subdomain on Groovemember, so just give it a name. Under Domain, it will be your root domain. For location, you will select Subdomain. And under subdomain, select the subdomain that you just created through custom domains. And for language, you have English, but there's also an option for Portuguese as well. Then you will click on Create Portal. I've already created a portal in advance to save time, so let's head to Actions and click on Edit. There's 5 steps involved. Step 1, basic information. Give your portal a name. For the description, make it an enticing description. Click on Save and Next. In step 2, under Select Membership, select the memberships that you like to display in your portal. I'll select Course 1, Course 2, and Course 3. I'll scroll back up, click on Display Memberships. I usually set it to display all memberships because if someone isn't logged in, there will be a Learn More button that is linked to the sales page of the course. And I'll show you how to do that later on. Click on Save and Next. Step 3 allows you to rearrange the order of your courses in terms of its value ladder. So you could have the first course as free and your premium courses here. To rearrange your courses, if you want to rearrange the order, just click on these 6 dots here, hold on it, and then just drag it across. I'm just going to leave it as is and click on Save and Next. Step 4, Portal Design. In my older portal video, the portal design area was a bit bland, but now you can choose from these 2 themes. The main difference between the themes is that for the first theme, you have 2 columns in the header. The second theme has more of a background image with a text overlay. I've already selected the second theme and customized it a bit just to save time, but I'll walk you through everything. For you, When you haven't selected a theme yet, you will see Preview and Use. So let's go ahead and customize the existing theme I've already selected by clicking Customize. Under Global Settings, for Transparent Navigation Bar, I usually turn it off. For Stick to the Top, I toggle that on because when someone scrolls down the page, the navigation bar is sticky and I want the login button over here to stay constant. And it just reminds people where they should click on. For navigation bar, I've chosen a darker color. You can change the color by clicking here and clicking here and adding the hex color code. You click on the check icon, then head here to close out of it. For button, go ahead and choose whichever style you like. For button color, it's the same thing. Click on it, click on here, and change the hex color code to whichever color you like. For text color, that will be the text color of your button. I've set it to white. For logo, click on choose image, upload your logo, and then click on select. Scrolling down, you have display footer. You can toggle this on to display your footer. You can enter in your about, terms, privacy links. For me, it just makes the footer unnecessarily big when you add all these links, so I just add in a copyright text. And for the background color of the footer, I've chosen the same color as the nav bar. Next is the text color, so you can change that to whichever color you like. Let's scroll back up and click on Hero section. In display section, I leave it toggled on. And I've changed the image. So you click on choose image and upload an image. For the image, I've created it on Canva and the size of this image is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. The overlay color is the same as the nav bar color. For overlay opacity, I've set it at 60, but let's just change it by deleting it and typing in 80 just to have a darker theme. For title text, give it whichever title you like. And since we have a dark background, the text color is white. For description, I've kept it really simple just to tell people where to log in to access their courses. The text color is white as well. We'll click on the body tab. I like it to be on the grid view, but you can select the list view as well and it will feature your course cover along with a learn more button. But we'll switch back to grid view. For the background color, that's the background color of the body here. And I usually leave the background color to white because the font is defaulted in black and you can't see it if you set it to a darker background color. For labels, I leave everything as is and we're going to go to author tab. For display author, if you are the face behind your brand, then definitely toggle this on. Type in your name, upload your profile image. In description, just add a short description and ask people to take an action like checking out your social channels because down here are all your social links. And I've simply added my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. You can choose to have less if you want. For colors, I've chosen the same background color as the nav bar, text color white and icon color white, but feel free to customize it according to your branding colors. We'll click Save and Next. And we're done. So you can copy this link over here, open up a new tab, paste in that link, and this is how it looks like. And as you scroll down, you notice how the navigation bar is still constant. That's what stick to the top means. And when someone clicks on learn more, it's going to open up to the sales page that you linked for this course. So we'll head back here and click on save and exit. Now, if you followed my older Groovemember portal video and created your portal already, then you might want to go back to Actions, Edit, and redesign your portal area using the new themes. And if you're still using a Groovemember subdomain, then you want to go back here, click on Settings, and link your custom domains by going to Domain, selecting your root domain, location, subdomain, and subdomain will be the portal subdomain you created, and then click on Update Settings. To link your sales page and cover image for your course, you would edit your Groovemember site and it will be in step 1 sales page. And that's where you add in the sales page for each course. The sales page URL that you set here will open when someone clicks on learn more. You also want to click Save and Next and head to step 2. Under Customize, go ahead and add in your logo. For featured image, the recommended image size is 350 by 200 pixels, and that is the image that you see here. Go ahead and update the images for each one of your Groovemember courses in this section. The featured image can easily be created on Canva. A tip here is to make sure you center the image and text right in the middle of your image, because if someone was logging in by mobile, these images actually shrink to what you see here. Once you uploaded your feature image, click Save and Next all the way to step 6. Under here, Enable for Portal, you want to toggle that to the right and select the portal that you just created under here and click on Save and Next. And you will do this for all the Groovemember courses that is set in that portal. We had 3 courses in that portal, so go ahead and change that for all the other Groovemember sites. And you're done. So by creating a portal subdomain, it acts as an all courses landing page, and it doesn't need to be limited to courses. You can showcase digital products in your portal as well. And if someone hasn't purchased any of the products, they just need to click on Learn More, which will link to your sales page. Now, if you have a free product or course in your portal, just create a Groove Pages landing page that has an embedded Groove Sell order form that's set at $0 pricing. I have a video called Groove Sell Order Form with email, username and password for Groovemember. And for that, just create a Groove Sell product funnel at $0 pricing. And when you use this particular tutorial, you can set an order form that requests people to create a username and password for Groovemember. Alright guys, if it helped, do me a favor by leaving a comment below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and until next time, see ya!